So currently we have been looking at utility operators. So now we will be looking at two very interesting operators from time. We have already seen one of the operator from time where we have been using like timers. But now we will look at one of the operator which adds a timestamp to each event which is being published. So here I am just taking the shapes of 10 different kind and then adding a timestamp over it. So if I try to run this particular example, I will get timed object with the timestamp attached to it. So let's see the output of this particular example. So let me enlarge it. So here you can see that the 10 different shapes are coming but as timed values, and for each one the time has been attached as a Unix timestamp. So this is very interesting when you want to add the timestamp to each incoming events, and the unit is in milliseconds. This is something to notice. Now what we will do, we will see another time operator which is our timeout operator. If you remember in beginning when we were actually dealing with the introductions, what I said that in reactive world, if the something doesn't come in time, we consider it as an error. So this actually forces that stream should be returning a value in time. So here with timer of 2, what will it do? It will actually delay the publishing of events for 2 seconds. But we have a timeout of 1. So we actually are thinking that in 1 second we should be getting some value. If you had been using the imperative programming or some other model of programming to measure this, there was a lot of problems that you would have faced. So this timeout is one of my fantastic operator which I believe has been provided to us. And in reactive programming, we should always be using it. So let's see what happens if I try to run this particular program. Basically, I will be getting an error. So see, it got unsubscribed, but then we got an on error, and it says the source did not signal an event for 1 second and has been terminated. This means we waited, but an on error came. And if you want to actually handle this, what you can do, you can go into this particular demo subscriber, and it has an on error method. You can subscribe to another stream, or you can do whatever you want as an error handling for it. So timeout operator is a very important and interesting operator.